kinera koto masubana nu Atumunak kokata kui Apollo kinito na jakanuto ko districta Patrick Olilangesi abalebe araelo masitu nga program sulu apugan ka koruda e barete kere.
The civil service of Uganda has only 400,000 people vis-a-vis 40 million people, and you cannot employ everybody. We have only 400,000 employees on the payroll of this country, and we know you are very many. We cannot be able to employ all of you, but there are people who are in self-employment in the private sector. They are doing very, very well. I am encouraging you to get employed in the private sector when the opportunities in the district. I know we are going to employ, we are going to recruit to fill some vacant positions. If you feel you have the papers, apply and we shall consider you, but there are not very many.
Kansela lo Atumunak kokata kui Stephen Tukengesi abalebe kota pugana iganga kesida o program sike kwa ebeito.
On the issue of unemployment, we have a very big problem as a district. Currently, the young people here, some of them they are studying, they are elites and they are already having papers. Some few months ago, the district advertised for jobs, and some of them were here successfully passed the interviews, and we have been told the government has put a bar not to recruit any officer, new member to the district service because of the low wage.
Which we need to start. Emma Molibo ni Somalia mama copy Julai. Isingin we jauni o mamigo ikina some shade. Mami Julete tunga. If I gave somebody 100 million, okwelere simu masere osodeta nyamia. Mami twali ni Julai. Na parasha disibona nyamia ndoki Julai na miata hivi ichana hivi bobo. Konya tumuni kapun ibika na korio, ibika na business. That's the person who can change.
Kanuka TV East Abraham Elapu ko districta loko kata kui.